Hello viewers, welcome back to Irish Kitchen. Today I have come up with another recipe and that is called as Eri Pori Beef. Eri means spice, Pori means fried, and this is a unique beef recipe from my kitchen that can be served as a starter or as a main course. Isn't it mouth-watering? Does it look like a home-cooked food? If you serve this to your guests, I'm sure you are going to get their wows. This is a restaurant-style recipe. I'm sure you will love this recipe. But before we start to making this, let me remind you that if you are watching my channel for the first time, do click on the subscribe button and hit on the notification bell so that you will be notified of any future uploads from me. So let's straight dive into the recipe now. For this recipe, I have taken 800 grams of fresh beef, nicely cleaned and washed. I have cut the beef in thin rectangular slices. Thin slices will allow the beef to fry faster and become crisp as well. So now we will start with the first marination step. To marinate the beef slices, I have taken turmeric powder, chili powder, pepper powder and salt. Check out the description box for the ingredients measurement. Nicely rub the spices all over the piece. You can see how thin the slices are. The spices have coated all over the meat, and now I'm going to transfer these slices into a pressure cooker. Place them straight and one above the other so that the meat will be evenly cooked, and add half a cup of water. In cooker, we will cook this meat up to 80 to 90%, and rest of the cooking will be done while frying. Now pressure cook until you hear 5 to 6 whistles. The number of the whistle will vary based on your cooker size and the kind of meat you are using. Here I have taken lean meat. After 5 whistles, allow the cooker to release the pressure and then only open it. Wow, what a fragrance from the pepper and beef. The beef has cooked 80 to 90% and has released its own juices. Do not throw away, we will need some of this stock to prepare the gravy. While the beef slices cools down, let's prepare the second marinade, which is more intense flavor. I have taken corn flour, crushed fennel seeds, red chili flakes, garam masala or meat masala, ginger and garlic paste, red chili powder, and mix them all well. I will add salt towards the end. I will tell you the reason. You can adjust the chili powder as per your taste buds, but I like my beef very spicy, so I will add some more pepper powder. And then add 1/4 cup of the beef stock which we had kept before. Combine the spices and the corn flour all together. Add 2 tablespoons lemon juice or vinegar, 1 tablespoon soy sauce and mix well. As I told you, I have not yet added salt. Remember, while cooking the beef, I had added salt, and in this marinade, there is soy sauce. So, first taste and then accordingly add the salt as required. The marination is ready, and now it's time to add the cooked beef slices into the mixture and carefully coat the marinade all over. Allow these slices to rest for 15 minutes. After 20 minutes, this is how it looks. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan for shallow frying. Shallow fry on low to medium heat until it starts to brown. Cook the meat for around 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Flip over the slice and equally fry on the other side as well. Do not cook on a high flame or overcook the meat, as it will make the beef harder. The slices have perfectly cooked and started to become crispier. Remove them to another plate. In the remaining oil, I will add 5 to 6 green chilies and some curry leaves and fry them until they turn crisp. The cooking is done and it's now time to plate Eri Pori beef. Serving it on a plate of lettuce leaves. This is an excellent starter. Do try it once and impress your family and guests. Garnish with the fried chili and curry leaves. The beef has perfectly cooked and tender. Serve it as a starter or with yummy Kerala parota. Thank you for watching and I hope you like this recipe. Stay connected until I come up with another interesting recipe. Happy cooking!